What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei P40 Pro smartphone. On the front side we got 32 megapixel camera along with a time of flight camera for depth sensing. It is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 60 fps, but if you use the beautification mode or any of the filters or video effects, then the video resolution will be reduced to full HD. The time-lapse video can also be recorded at 4K resolution from the front-facing camera of Huawei P40 Pro. For pictures, there is portrait mode provided where you can use the beautification and lots of different bokeh effects. And then we got panorama and night mode as well for the front-facing camera for taking pictures. And there is AR lens provided as well where you can create emojis for your profile pictures or avatars to make some funny effects. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use the Huawei P40 Pro for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads because lots of new videos of P40 Pro are going to be uploaded very soon. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.